Welcome to another lesson of the Complete Beginner's Grammar course. Today, you will learn how to decide when to use gerunds and when to use infinitives. Finally, you will check your knowledge by taking a quiz, so stick around till the end. And remember to subscribe to the channel for many more videos like this. Deciding whether to use gerunds or infinitives in English can sometimes be tricky, but here are some guidelines to help you. Use a gerund, verb plus ing, when the verb is the subject of the sentence or follows a preposition. Example, swimming is good exercise. Here, swimming is the subject of the sentence. Example, he's good at swimming. Here, swimming follows the preposition at. Use an infinitive, to plus base form of the verb, after certain verbs like want, need, hope, plan, decide, etc. Example, I want to learn how to play the guitar. Example, she plans to visit her parents next weekend. Certain verbs can be followed by either a gerund or an infinitive with a change in meaning. Example, I like swimming, general enjoyment of the activity. Example, I like to swim, expresses a preference or desire to engage in the activity. Some verbs require a gerund or infinitive without a change in meaning. Example, she enjoys reading. Here, enjoys is followed by a gerund. Example, she prefers to read. Here, prefers is followed by an infinitive. Remember certain expressions followed by infinitives. Example, I'm going to the store to buy some groceries. Here, to buy is part of the infinitive expression indicating purpose. Certain verbs are followed by either a gerund or an infinitive with little change in meaning. Example, I started studying Spanish. I started to study Spanish. In some cases, it's also helpful to consult a dictionary or grammar resource to see if a particular verb is typically followed by a gerund or an infinitive. With practice, you'll become more comfortable choosing between gerunds and infinitives in different contexts. Here's a quiz based on the guidelines for using gerunds and infinitives. Which form should be used for the blank in the sentence? A foreign language can be challenging. A, learning. B, to learn. Choose the correct option to complete the sentence. She enjoys tennis every weekend. A, playing. B, to play. Choose the correct option to complete the sentence. She enjoys tennis every weekend. A, playing. B, to play. Select the appropriate form to fill in the blank. He decided to the party. A, to go. B, going. Identify the correct completion for the sentence. I need my computer. A, to fix. B, fixing. Which form should be used in the blank? She promised the report by tomorrow. A, to finish. B, finishing. Choose the correct option. I can't wait my new car. A, to drive. B, driving. Determine the appropriate form to complete the sentence. They hope in the tournament. A, to win. B, winning. Which option correctly completes the sentence? He's good at stories. A, telling. B, to tell. Which option correctly completes the sentence? Choose the correct form for the blank. She avoided late. A, being. B, to be. Identify the suitable completion for the sentence. They discussed to the beach next weekend. A, going. B, to go. Answers: 1. A, learning. 2. A, playing. 3. A, to go. 4. A, to fix. 5. A, to finish. 6. A, to drive. 7. A, to win. 8. A, telling. 9. A, being. 10. B, to go.